Hi! Did I scare you? Okay, anyway. So, today is January 5th? 6th. I don't have a calendar. Anywho, today is January 6th. As you heard that man voice in the back say 6. I am going to kick off a fast for 21 days. I do sing. You can book me. You can add me on Instagram at Miss Bright Eyes. That's MRSBRIGHTEYEZ. Or you can add me on Facebook. Boo! I'm just kidding. You was scared? You was scared enough?
No.
Oh, okay. She wasn't scared. Oh, man, cut.